Yo soy Diego y soy mago. Y voy a hacer magia por todo Nueva York.
So what do you think if you were gonna have like this amazing date here? What would be like the perfect drink?
A glass of rosé.
A glass of rosé.
Yeah.
Some wine? We also
Yeah.
some wine. That's perfect. Yeah, that's a good idea. Give me 1 second. There's some trash here. Let's just see. It's a bit dirty, but I think it'll be fine. So it's an empty bag. Would you like to check the bag just to see?
Yes.
Yeah, pretty empty.
Yes.
And you said a glass of wine. So let's see if we can just go like this and...
No way.
Is this what you wanted? This is it, right?
What
You want to take it, hold it?
He showed us an empty paper bag. Then there was just a bottle of wine in this bag. And I don't know how that just happened.
You're gonna call stop anywhere you feel like.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3.
Stop.
Right there?
Yes, right there.
This one. So it doesn't matter if I see this card. The queen.
Queen of Spades.
Sign the card.
I put B, the letter B.
Put a letter B, yeah.
Okay, right there.
Can you put your finger like this?
Like this?
Hold it.
You want me to hold it tight?
Yeah, tight.
Tight, as tight as I can?
As tight as you can.
Okay,
And
I'll
look,
hold it real tight.
we're gonna rip the corner. With your other hand, can you take it? Yeah.
Am I gonna swallow this?
Me. See, watch.
No.
Now watch. It's gone.
Tongue. Okay, it's gone. Yeah.
Bring this up to here. No, hold it really tight.
You're gonna eat the whole thing. Oh my God. He swallowed it, ripped it, swallowed it, and he put it back together just using his mouth.
What do you do?
Chinese Kung Fu.
Is this about like matching your moves?
Oh, yes. Yeah.
So just take a look at it like as it is. Very good. Put it in your hand. Can you start to mix it up? And right now, you're remembering every single move he's doing. You're storing it in your memory every single second.
That's good.
Perfect. Now, I'm gonna give you the other one. Take it in your hands. Go ahead, just do it naturally until you feel like you're ready, like you're done. Yeah?
Okay. Done.
Okay, very good. So the two of you mix them up. Do you know how many ways there are to mix Rubik's Cubes? There's infinite possibilities.
Okay.
And somehow, today,
Wow. Wait.
Come
one
on,
side
man.
is completely the same. One side, 2,
No.
3, 4,
Come on. How did that happen, man?
5,
How did,
and 6 completely identical sides.
how did he do that? I don't know how he did it, but he did it in front of our eyes. It's amazing.
You remember the very first guy you kissed?
Yes.
Yes. Do you remember his name?
I do.
Okay. So imagine the first letter of his name right here in the middle.
Okay.
Is it an S?
Yes.
It's an S, right?
Yeah.
Good. So now repeat the name over and over in your mind.
Okay.
Santino.
Oh my god, that's really it. That's so weird. Yo, I'm scared. Magic is real. This is actually a problem. That's so weird. That's not like Joe or Jim or that's Santino. Yeah. It was in like 6th grade.
Now that we're here in Little Italy, Can you think of any iconic Italian movie?
How's The Godfather?
The Godfather.
Yeah, that's a cool one. We're gonna take the DVD out. Okay. And can you please both take the DVD? And can you sign it right here? Good. On top and then the bottom. Now show it to the camera. Show the signatures. So we got the DVD with both signatures. Place it back into its case here. Let's see, can you just put your hand like this? Hold it, and then you put your hand on top. So what movie are you thinking of?
The Godfather.
The Godfather. So watch, we're gonna wave my hands like this. Let's see. We can see that maybe somehow. Now, this is your signed one, right?
That's it. That's the one.
Get out of here.
Son of a gun.
Get out of here.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah. Jeez. You guys mesmerize me. You really do.
You know the best part of this all is that, you know, the movies, I always like to keep them, you know, with their cover.
Son of a gun.
This was a blank DVD, and all he did was this and this, and Godfather came up.
That's fantastic.
That's really it.
New York is a city of dreamers. My magic opens their eyes to the impossible.
Dale click y suscríbete para ver más magia increíble.